and welcome to my channel. It's Rebecca, also known as 4Kids at 147, and I've got a little bit of a different unboxing for you today. Bit of a weird shape, if I do not think. I have 4 cases, which many of you may know. I have 4 cases of these, which hold the 60 bottles for my Heaven and Earth designs. Now, many of you may also know I pinched a few of the bottles for my current Ever moment. I also have had in with my cases, I think, 2 bottles that may have been slightly damaged, either the lid or just a little crack on the actual bottle itself. In fact, one of them's in here, I think. Oh no, it's not that symbol. I thought I remembered the symbol, but obviously I didn't. So yeah, I messaged the seller to sort of say, oops, I've got a couple damaged in my last one that came. And then I spotted that they sold the bottles separately. So they sold a set of 30 bottles for £2.47. And I thought, do you know what? Doesn't matter. I'm just going to order the 30 bottles for £2.47. I can replace the couple that came damaged. I can fill up these that I pinched for my Ever moment, and I've got them there then if I need to store just a few diamonds, for example, for a painting that only has a few colours in it. So this is that package. So let's have a look in these. Just trying to figure out what tool of the trade to try and get in it. It is wrapped in, you know, like a mailer bag that's primarily to stop it getting wet, and then it does have this air bubble stuff inside it as well, so we are going to get rid of that in a moment. But let's get this outer bag off and out the way, and then we can have a look at how it's really packaged. Okay, so that's why it's the odd shape, because the airbag is bigger than the actual pot. So these are the pots, and that's the airbag. So move that out the way. I'll get rid of that off camera. So let's get in these and have a look. So they should just look like my others, and they don't. They're a different design. That's a little bit disappointing. Let's see how they fit in a case. So let's have a look. Do they even fit? No, they're bigger. Okay, that is very disappointing. So is that a me error or is that a them error? So I'm just trying to have a look at the actual description itself. So the description shows the bottle not like this, shows it like the one that it goes in the cases, and it shows it as being 5 centimetres tall, which it is, and then it shows it as being 2.5 centimetres wide, which actually, if you measure the top of the lid, it is nearer 3 centimetres wide. If I measure one of these, that is 2.5 centimetres wide. So on my view, they've sent me the wrong bottles. So that's the bottles, and that's what I've got. They do not look the same as the image, so that is disappointing. Let's check the description. So the description shows the cases. The description for the bottles shows the cases, but then shows that you can purchase the bottles, and you can choose whether you want 30, which was £2.47, or 60. So looks like I have a message to send to the seller and a little mini, well, not dispute yet. I'm going to message the seller and see what they say, but they are all the wrong style bottle. So watch this space. Hopefully I will have another unboxing with the right shape bottles, but they are definitely all the wrong style. Gutting. But these things happen. I guess I will switch over my Ever Moment bottles into these while they're not fitting in a case for now, so that I can fill my cases back up, and I'll get back in touch with the seller about these, and I'll let you know the outcome. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon.